Okie dokie, super scientists. Now that we have already watched our brain pop, we got our materials ready, here's our next step. Watch this teacher video to illustrate, draw, and label 4 vocabulary words. Here they are. Read them with me. Habitat, shelter, aquarium, terrarium. Do you know what those words mean? Don't you worry, we will figure them out together. But we're also going to organize together. So grab that journal, open up to the first clean page you can find. Save those trees. They are living things that we need in our environment. Here's my first clean page. And we always begin, first things first, with today's date. It is 4 for April, 7 for today, and the year is 2021. As I told you, how many words are we drawing today in the journal? Not 2. How many? 4. So give me a 4 square. Start with a line down the center and a line across the middle. Count them. Here we go in Spanish. 1, 2, 3, 4. You are awesome. We've got our paper ready. We've got our date. Let's go start with our first word. Here it is, boys and girls. Read it. What does this say? Habitat. Repeat it, please. Habitat. And let's go write it. Habitat. Habitat. Here I go. There, you can see it. Habitat. A habitat is a place where an animal or plant lives. On our screen here we see an eagle, that bald eagle. And its habitat is what? Where does that eagle live? In a tree. It builds a little nest. Let's go draw this eagle habitat in our habitat box. Everybody drawing your tree. Lots of branches, some leaves. But the important part is the place the animal lives. Show me this nest it's built. Maybe there's eggs in the nest. Show me that eagle, its talons sitting up on this branch. Caw! Do your best. Not an artist. I've got a bird, I've got my tree, and I've got a nest. When I add my color details, you'll be able to tell exactly what that is a little bit better. Habitat, picture, I'll color later. If you're not done drawing, pause the video and finish drawing your eagle in its habitat. Our next word is shelter. Say it with me, please. Shelter. Shelter. Protection from the environment. Here we have another bird like that eagle. But see, this eagle out in the tree, he's not very protected. He's just out there looking, maybe hunting for food. But look at this bird. It's inside that tree trunk, taking shelter. One more time. Shelter. Let's go write shelter. Shelter is different than habitat because it is protection. An animal needs shelter to stay safe. Safe from the weather, storms, rain, snow, but also safe from other predators who want to eat that poor little birdie. We're going to draw a tree trunk. Oh, pardon. And I'm going to make a little hole where this birdie is hiding inside. I'll add my color details, my lines in the bark, and you can see my bird is safe in his shelter. Pause your video if you need more time to illustrate shelter. Or let's go on to word 3. Please say it with me. Aquarium. Ooh, Ooh, that's a big one. Say it again. Aquarium. Have you ever seen an aquarium before? Yes or no? It is a human-made habitat for things that live in water. A human got this tank and built this aquarium so it could have some pet, what? What lives in there? Pet fish, pet crabs. All these living things that like the water can now live in this aquarium. Let's go right. Word 3, aquarium. I'm going to come down here on the line. A-Q-U. Oh, I'm sorry. You can't even see my paper. A-Q-A-R-I-U-M. Check that funky word, my friends. A-Q-A-R-I-U-M. Aquarium. And I'm going to make my aquarium a rectangle tank. And then look at this picture. So many details in that aquarium. Take your time, pause the video if you need to, and show me those seaweed plants. Maybe there's a little castle inside here. Lots of fishies, water, bubbles. I want to add lots of details to this one and lots of color. I hope you will too. Pause your video to take your time and show me details in your aquarium. One more word to go. Last one. Repeat it with me. Terrarium. One more time. Terrarium. Sounds a little similar to aquarium, terrarium. Aquarium, terrarium. They rhyme. And do they look kind of the same? Yeah, but a little different. A terrarium is a human-made habitat also, but not for things in the water. These are things that live on land. They live where? Land. Not the water. Now we're on land. First, let's add the label. T-E. R-R. Terrarium. Check it out. Make sure we got it right. T-E-R-R. A-R-E-M. I-U-M. Terrarium. Now take a look and start illustrating your terrarium. It's made by man or a woman, but for animals on land. Show me colors, show me details. What animal's going to be in there? A frog? A lizard? A snake? A spider? I can't wait to see your details. Take your time, pause the video here, look closely, and draw in your journal. You will have 4 words today here in your journal. Habitat, shelter, aquarium, terrarium. You'll have 4 pictures. You'll have lots and lots of color and today's date. When you have all these things and you are proud of your work, you took your time, 4 labels, 4 pictures, lots of color, photo time, turn in Google Classroom to your teacher. I'll see you tomorrow to talk more about that aquarium. Adios!